I know. How about I say, be quiet? That means there's a firework coming.
Okay.
I know you belong. When we hear say shh, that means there's a firework coming.
Okay.
I know. When it goes shh, that means there's a firework here.
Oh, okay.
I know you belong to somebody new. Shh. Let's check outside.
The fireworks are all over. But tonight
You belong to me. Although you say,
we're apart.
although.
Oh, okay.
Although we're apart of my heart.
But tonight you belong to me. Way
Down by the street, how sweet it would seem once more
just to dream
in the moonlight. My honey, I know
by the dawn
that you will be gone. Shh. What's that sound?
airplane. But tonight